Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to add about negative s squared. Later that we need to put back positive s squared. This one we can put negative 2s and negative 3s. So this one we can do about factorization by s squared. This one we have 2s squared. So we can do about factorization by 2s. This one by negative number 3. This one by s squared. This one by negative number 1. Now we have s minus 1. We can do about factorization. Similar for this one. Now we need to simplify s minus 1 and s minus 1. Next, we have the formula in here. So, number 1, that's about 1 squared. And we can change into s minus 1, s plus 1. About this one, I can put about 3s minus s. Now, we can do about factorization by s. Similar for this one. S minus 1, s minus 1, we can do another factorization. Now we need to simplify s minus 1 on numerator and denominator. And now I will put number 1 cone here and here. So we have the final answer. And this is the final answer. The next one, we see that s in here, that's about s squared. And we have 1 over 2 in here. Number 4, that's about 2 squared. Now we apply the formula in here. This one we can put into s to the power of 1 over 2 minus number 2 and s to the power of 1 over 2 plus number 2. Now we need to simplify this one and this one. Now we put number 4 cone here. This one we have 2 plus 2 and we have number 4. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.